what a truck should look like.
Okay.
Every time we designed something like that, it looked like a rip-off of a W900. You're like, oh, this looks like the Wish version of a W900.
Dodger
Like,
getting
every
a
time
drink
we
of
were
water
like, they're
in the
such
fountain.
iconic trucks that you can't recreate it. So we're like, well, let's try something wild and let's let the internet design it.
You know, it's only because I just changed the water in the fountain that he's taken a drink. Otherwise, he would never. He would bypass the fountain. Oh, there's his wife checking out where he's been. Hey, get your nose out of his butt. Ooh, yeah, sticky, isn't it? Boy, he's a thirsty little cat, isn't he? Well, he's not very little, but he's pretty thirsty. At least his tail is wiggling, so he knows he's being videotaped. So we have the cat and the rat. So usually the rat drinks out of the water fountain over there, but this time this morning, because I didn't go upstairs and let Dodger get a drink of water in the fountain, he's decided he's going to drink out of the rat's water fountain. Now that is a powerful thirst, don't you think? You're just slurping down that nice ice cold water from the water filter. Don't fall asleep there, boy. Don't fall asleep. Oh, there you go. Was that a powerful drink there, buddy? Dodger Watcher. Come on, Mr. Kitty. Hey, Mr. Kitty. Did you get a nice drink of water? Hey, what do you keep on and declare? You're beautiful enough, buddy. I'm trying to get this stupid thing to zoom out. Oh, there we go. Operator issue. Dodger. Hey, kitty. You want to be in a movie? Where's the rat? Go get the ball. Go get the ball, Dodger. Go get the ball, Dodger. Oh, what's this? Going back to bed. He's back in bed. What are you doing back in bed, buddy? Is that where you control what happens from? Is that the cat's bugs? Okay, well, ta-ta for now. See you next week or tomorrow. Bye-bye.